aFe developed this version of their Bladerunner Cold-Side Intercooler tube specifically for the 2015 to 2016 F-150s with the 3.5L EcoBoost V6. To gain access underneath the truck, remove your plastic shield underneath the front bumper. Our aftermarket bumper required us to remove the skid plate for more access. Now that we have room to work under the truck, we started by unplugging the blow-off vent tube. Next, the cold side turbo piping can be unclipped and pulled off the intercooler. For more room to pull out our charge pipe, we must remove the air intake. We have an upgraded aFe unit, but the stock removal will be very similar. A few clamps and the air sensor will allow it to be uninstalled. Also, after the intake is out, the engine cover can be lifted from the motor after unscrewing the oil cap. We then unbolted the coolant overflow to be able to move it around for more room. Unclip the air sensor and vacuum line from the charge pipe, then unscrew it from the coupler at the throttle body. Pull it from the coupler and drop it out of the bottom of the truck. Then transfer over the air sensor to the new charge pipe with new hardware. Install the new charge pipe through the bottom of the truck and up into the throttle body coupler. Tighten it down and plug in the air sensor and vacuum line. Then the coolant overflow can be bolted back in place. Replace the intake by reconnecting it to the turbo inlets and reinstall the air sensor. Connect the cold side charge pipe to the intercooler with the new coupler, then attach the EBOV recirculation tube. Replace your plastic shield under the truck to finish your installation. Again, since we have a Rogue Racing front bumper, we reattached our skid plate instead.